Look at my haul. First stop, HEB. I wish it came in more bulk than this, honestly. Hey guys, what's up? It's Raven. It's 8:30 a.m. on a Tuesday and I need groceries. We're still getting our meal preps for me, Zoe, and Sam. We use Cook Unity. We really like it. So that does cut back on some of the groceries that I have to get, but I still need groceries. I still need breakfast. I still need lunch for Ziya and extra dinners and stuff. I just recently had a party and I also just had a bunch of extra people at my house for a special reason that y'all will see later. And so my fridge has a lot of leftovers and random things from that. And it's also just not aesthetically organized like I like it, so it needs like a full overhaul. And the pantry, also kind of the same situation. My pantry has definitely accumulated more items since last time I showed you guys. I've added like this whole section over here for more like party decor stuff. This side is getting a lot more full. I've still got like my main little vibe going here, which still works. Again, a lot of random leftovers from the recent happenings in the house that need to be like put away, and then stuff is looking empty. We need to restock. I've actually been accumulating some fun little goodies over here. I got this little Omi lunchbox and a lot of cutesy little lunch things because I really want to try making those super cute school lunches for Ziya. So when I go grocery shopping today, I'm gonna get like some specific ingredients to make the cute little Hello Kitty lunches. And I'm gonna show you guys the lunches in the next video. As far as making my grocery list, I just use my notes app. The easiest way for me to do it, I told y'all this last time, I just literally look at what's empty. That's the good thing about having an organized pantry is you can clearly see like what's empty and what you need. So I'm just gonna make my list really quick based off of my containers and stuff that I know I always get and the special stuff that I want for those lunches. Same thing for the fridge. Quiet on set. Bougie, do you need to do a timeout?
Yes.
Same thing for the fridge. I have a couple of my containers in here. I really need to bring a lot of them back in here, but clearly I need more Go-Gurt in there, eggs. I'm doing pretty good on drinks, honestly, right now. I like to keep a nice little variety of beverages, but I do need some more protein shakes. And then this is looking pretty empty for my meats and cheeses. Anytime before I do a big grocery trip, I like to look through my fridge and pantry and get rid of anything that's old, expired, nasty, just needs to be cleaned out. That way I can make space for the new stuff that's gonna go in. I'm actually not doing too bad right now. I've been keeping up with it. I know I definitely have, some little hidden leftover Tupperwares that are not good anymore. Dump this out, clean these out. And then as far as like expired food and stuff, I mean, we're doing pretty good. We got an old onion back here and a lemon. That's gross. Perhaps some of these condiments need to be checked, their expiration date. Love a good condiment. This stuff is new, I just bought that. These salsas are old because these ones in particular are from Raven's Resort 29th birthday. I am turning 31, so I think these can go. This is probably old, 2022. Can't read it, but I think it's old. I feel guilty when I buy something and I taste it and I don't like it and I know I'm never gonna eat it because I don't like the way it tastes, but it's like, I don't wanna throw it away because it's full, but then it just sits in there until it expires anyway. This is me telling you, if you have that problem, just throw it away. Why did Ziya save one spoonful of rice? One spoonful, and then she didn't eat it. Do those dishes later. First stop, HEB. Pro tip, reach to the back for the cheaper option. $4.88 instead of $7. Bananas, Honduran bananas. They're all pretty green. I'll do these. Oh, I like the tricolor option actually. I've never seen this before. These genetically modified blueberries, but they're so good. They have the viral cucumbers. Shout out Logan on TikTok. I'm gonna get one. turkey, ham, cheese. They have a lot more dairy-free cheese options these days, but I don't love this brand. Although it says new and improved. I wonder if it really is improved. These are not good. I tried them. Oh, they have this. This is new. I'm scared to try. They don't do small loaf honey wheat. So I'm gonna do small loaf whole wheat because we can't go through a big loaf in time. This jam is seedless. I think Ziya would like the seedless. Cherry mixed fruit and light syrup. My Snickernut cookie coffee pods. I'm obsessed. This is the only coffee I drink every single morning for years. So I buy it in bulk. I wish it came in more bulk than this, honestly. Ziya is a very picky eater, but she has her random, unique things that she likes, and seaweed is one of them. This Mi Tienda brand at HEB is cute. They have like Latin, Spanish-inspired products, you know, little mango juice box. I'm gonna get a couple of these just to try. These are different flavors. I don't know which one of these Ziya would like, because it's not any of the ones we normally get, but I'm gonna guess bluey berry. Ew, that's why you always gotta check your eggs. And this one's cracked. Shout out HEB with the dairy-free options. This is all dairy-free yogurt. We've come a long way. The garlic herb is good. I wanna try the spicy seasoned HEB fries. Hot Pocket Pop-Tart breakfast. I don't think Ziya will eat it. Look at my haul. Now I have to put it all away. Not my most favorite part, if I'm being honest. I like the ones where you can like stack them up in the containers, but overall, putting groceries away is kind of annoying. Obviously start with the cold stuff. I actually already put away the frozen stuff. My freezer is ugly. We're not gonna talk about the freezer. Just act like the freezer doesn't exist. But for the fridge stuff, it's really not too much, I guess. I think it's kind of easier to take the containers out, load the containers, then put the containers back in. Still loving my little drink holder thing, going strong, years later. And y'all get to see the behind the scenes of how I do my grocery restock TikToks. I actually might need my little tripod. Easy thing to start with is the eggs. Boom, we line it up, we make it satisfying. Oh, wrong way. I have a second one, but instead of pulling out a whole second container, I just go like this. Boom, and then you gotta get the pull away shot, but really I just put it over here for now. Next thing, I forgot what it's called, but it's a certain like acronym or something where you take the old stuff and you put the old stuff on top. People always yell at me when I don't do that.
You didn't do it with the eggs.
They're in the back. Oh. I was thinking that was right. Like, oh, put the egg. It's fine. Take the old stuff out. Show the box. Oh, rip the box. Rip the box satisfyingly. Ready? Dump it out in one clean swipe. Put the old ones back on top so they don't yell at you in the comments. Pull it out the frame. Next, food items. Sometimes you have to edit those moments out. Now this is satisfying. Boom. Now that I got my containers loaded up and ready to place, we show the fridge. Eggs. Slide in. Fruit cups. Slide in. Yogurt. Slide in. I have space for, oh, that's what it was, these. I messed up. Reset, because I gotta do my yogurts in this other container. Make sure your camera's not wiggling. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, love that for me. Always pay attention to your lines, you know, don't be crooked. Yogurts and yogurts. We get a little pan over. My drink thing, but I wanna put the juice boxes up there. So I need to like consolidate. We'll put this in the TikTok. Ices can go in one. These waters can come out. You like that?
Well, my friends in high school do open boxes like that. They just punch it.
Oh.
Oh, how lovely.
One by one. The Capri Suns are like squishy, so they're not as satisfying of a placement, but through the power of editing, it'll look better. People will judge your fridge quite closely if there's any visible dirtiness in mine. Honestly, I want a new fridge.
You want? Is this fridge not nice enough for you?
Have you seen the fridges that are available on the market?
What, you need an iPad fridge?
iPad fridge, the ones that have like all these extra like drawers and stuff. We're not even gonna look at the bottom part. Jeez, damn. Close it. 2 types of carrots. I'm not filming this part for TikTok. It's not satisfying. They just go in here. And then we've got grapes and blueberries that just kind of go right here. And we've got a little salmon. Our meal prep kind of unsatisfies the rest of the fridge, but I think that's it. Oh, the watermelon. Forgot about that. Don't usually have a big old watermelon in my fridge. We can't show that in the TikTok. I'm sorry. Sometimes you have to lie. And I typically, if you notice in my TikToks, I kind of only show like this part, you know? You ain't gotta see everything. The orange juice, the watermelon, the drinks that didn't fit. I was gonna decant this. I can still do that, I suppose. I need to put these in my novelty drinkware section of my pantry. The collection grows. Also, these go in there. This is the part I struggle with. Pour it like you mean it. Ah! No one has to know. Power of editing.
That's what I'm about.
I don't know if I fill all them up to the brim. I wasn't sure. There we go. To the brim. Wow, Zoe. They don't call you the eyeball princess for nothing.
I'm so embroiled now.
Boop. If I could do it in a quick way. Boop. June 2024.
It's late August, so I'll take it.
Close the fridge. Let's perhaps not do this part for TikTok, and the TikTok will only be the fridge. But we're still gonna put it away nicely. Old to the front. I hate how they put the goldfish side, like front. You know what I mean?
So it saves space.
Boom. Seaweed packs. I should start buying these 2 packs at a time. Ziya goes through them so fast.
Oh.
Hate that. Just kidding. Didn't know some of them were gonna be upside down. Should also bought 2 packs of those. Breakfast bar basket. Old to the front. Yeah. One of these peanuts is old. January 7th, 2025, October 24th, 2025. These are older. So if I just do like this, the old one's on top. Pantry math. Oh! Watch out, Zoe. It's like landmines for you. This is really like my specialty holiday candy. No, I wish I hadn't discovered this. Dang it.
Just put stuff on top of it and don't address it.
I got all these fun things on clearance for 19 cents each to decorate gingerbread houses next time. Bougie. Special delivery. What if you checked your doorstep and it was just this?
I'd leave them there.
Oh! This is basically gingerbread house and like display candy. Not anything that anybody is really gonna ever eat. Just a few peppermints. Does anybody Want some candy canes? What about these?
No.
These are kind of good.
No.
What about to keep and hand them out to your loved ones? So much peppermint. All set for Christmas though. I think Ziya's gonna be excited about this, and it's gonna go with her Hello Kitty lunch that I'm gonna make in the next video. That in here, I gotta put the bread like up here so Bougie doesn't get it, because he learned how to get up on like all these shelves. I should get a bread box probably. Bougie, see what I mean? Refill the popcorn. In this house, we do homemade popcorn from the kernel, not from the microwavable bag, but we do still put it in the microwave, just from scratch,
Notice
kind
how
of.
she is not moving the old to the top. She's just pouring new kernels on top of the old
Cause
ones.
see, you never really make it down to the old ones, so who cares?
You should just like eat the rest of the kernels. You don't have to eat them later.
I will eat them. I will put them in my backstock bin, as you can see here, and then I will refill it. We got 2 cereals. Got this cereal dispenser off of Amazon. I kind of want to upgrade to like a different type though. It works. Buying fun cereals like this heals my inner child, because my mom wouldn't let me have any fun cereal. We only ever had plain Rice Krispies. Blueberry Morning. My dad liked Blueberry Morning. People probably don't even know what that is. And that was a treat because it had real dried blueberries in it. Yeah, I would like to upgrade to something that actually holds a whole box of cereal. Is it broken also too? That doesn't feel secure. Comment below if you have a cereal holder recommendation, because clearly I need a new one. I'm taking these out. Nobody's ever gonna drink this other flavor. Wow. I guess I'll fill this while I'm here. Boom. This still has more in it. Why do I have 2 tissue boxes here? That needs to be wiped. I think that's about it. We got all the recycling. Oh, my little bananas. Go over here. You know, putting away dishes. Don't mind that. And I think that's it.